I know you like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't get enough.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn. If you're new here, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. It just simply notifies you whenever I post a new video. So I'm super excited for today's video because it is so long awaited. I'm going to be filming a room tour. I am so excited to be showing you guys my room, since you always see it in the background of my videos, but I've never actually showed you guys what it looks like. So if you want to see what my room looks like, just keep on watching. Alright, so this is my front door. Usually there's like a sign for the holiday, but I don't have one right now. And then this is my humble abode. Sorry, the lighting is so weird. So on the back of my door, I just have a purse rack. So I just have my bags on the back. So I have my North Face backpack, my Louis, my Michael Kors, and then just a few other things in there. And then right here, I usually just keep my backpack that I'm currently using, just because it's like right next to my desk. And then right here, I just have this big, huge rug. And I got this from Kirkland's. I will be linking everything that I talk about down below if I can find it. But it just really ties in my whole room, and I really, really like it. Then to the right of my door, I just have another door, and this is my first closet. I actually have two closets in here. So this is my first closet. So on the door, I just have a shoe holder that holds a lot of my shoes. And then once you go inside, I actually put my dresser in here so I can maximize my space in my bedroom. And then over here, I just have two command hooks that hold all of my belts. And I have a laundry basket for clean clothes, my ring light, and just some heavier or jackets. Then on top, I just have all of my jewelry. So I just have this rack from Amazon. I'll link it down below, and just some other stuff. And then I have this. There's nothing in these drawers, but I just thought it was cute. And then I have underwear, socks, bras, t-shirts, jeans, and then like athletic pants and leggings and joggers and stuff in that last one. So that is this. And then up here I just have two white bins that just have clothes in that one, and then this is just like a miscellaneous drawer. And then up here I just have a lot of my camera equipment. So that is my first closet. I don't really use it for clothes except in the dresser, but I just like to, you know, finish my getting ready in here with all the belts, you know, socks, jewelry, and stuff like that. Then to the right of my closet, I just have my nightstand. So I just keep this pretty simple. I don't like to do too much to it. My grandmother actually painted this for me, and it lights up. It just says Roll Tide, and I just have some Kleenexes and then Alexa back there. I don't think she's plugged in. And then up here, I just have this light from IKEA, and then my Hydro Flask, a candle, and just remotes, and, you know, my Apple Watch and stuff like that. I did get this room furnished by my apartment complex, so unfortunately you can't get any furniture, but I don't really know who would want to buy this furniture in my opinion, but you know. Then I have my tapestry that is actually just from Amazon. I'll link that down below, as well as the lights behind it. I just love the touch that it gives. And then I have my bed. So this bed is very comfortable. I have like a mattress topper on top of it. But I just got my comforter from Target, I believe. If I can find it, I'll link it down below for you guys. And then this pink blanket I had last year in my dorm. It's literally the best thing ever. I think I got it from Kohl's. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. And then I went with a blue theme this year. So I just got these blue sheets from Target. They're the Opal House brand. And I have my body pillow. And then these my grandmother already had, so I don't know where she got them, but it goes perfectly with my room. And then these two just came with my comforter. Moving right along, I'm gonna go to the right. So back here, I just have my Alex 9 drawers from Ikea. They are actually from my room back at home, but I just brought them here. On top, I have a little elephant plant. I think it's really cute. And then this, I had in my dorm last year. And then this plant. And then there's just 9 drawers. I really just keep miscellaneous things in here. This is like printer paper and a few pictures. And then just like random stuff, to be honest. There's really not much going on in here. And then I also want to mention that I have LED lights running all across the top of my room. These are from Amazon. I'll link them down below for you guys. I love them at night when there's no lights on. I think they just add like a great touch. Then moving right along, I just got these curtains from Amazon, and they are just blackout curtains. I really recommend them. They're actually amazing. I usually have my curtains closed, but just for the sake of this video, I wanted to like open them up. And then I just have this 8 cubicle thing that I got from Target. These bins are from Ikea. They're literally huge. Like, they fit so much stuff in them. And I alternated the colors between dark gray and white, and I really like how it looks. I mean, I'm not going to go through all of them, but most of them just have like clothes. These are my sweatshirts. This is just like a junk drawer, really, that just has like extra light bulbs and just stuff like that. I don't even know what's down in here. Oh, my jean shorts and stuff. So that's just what I have in here. There's like nothing even in there. And then I have my printer that currently does not work. I'm still trying to fix it. I don't know what happened, but over Christmas break, like something just like it doesn't work anymore. And then I have this hey y'all sign. Not really my vibe anymore, but I have nothing else to put there. And then just this thing that was in my dorm last year. And then my grandmother's friend actually got this for me. It's so cute. And it's just a cute little elephant. I really like it. And then next over here, there's just Carl, which is my first fish. You'll see I have a new addition soon. But I've had him for over a year. If you watch my videos in the dorm, you remember that I got him over a year ago, and he's still just like vibing and chilling. He loves his little sunken ship. He loves to just like stay in there. So that's him. His tank lights up and everything. So he's really living a lavish life. And then I just have like another set of curtains. And then over here, I just have this poster, not even poster, this really cute picture. It just goes with my room as well. And this is from Big Lots. I probably can't link this just because, you know, Big Lots is only like in stores, I believe. But this thing was literally like $20, and it just goes perfect with my room. Next over here, I just have my other closet. So I was nice enough to have 2 closets in my room. It's a blessing and a curse just because I lose a lot of wall space. But over here, I just have my other shoe rack that I got from Amazon. And then this is my closet. I just have all my clothes up here. Up there, it's like pretty messy, but you know, it is what it is. And then down here, usually my hamper's right there, but I am washing clothes right now. I just have this bin. There is jeans in here from Overflow. These are just like random clothes. And then all of my black leggings are in here. And then I just have my 2 like very nice expensive tennis shoes still in their boxes just because I don't want to like mess them up or anything. And then this used to hold clothes, but now it's just literally like a junk place to put, you know, things, my Uggs, and then just Carl's and chickens water and just some snacks. I don't really organize my closet in any particular order. I just kind of like throw stuff in there and, you know, call it a day. So yeah, that's pretty much this closet. Moving right along, I just have my mini fridge. So I don't really keep anything in here except I guess some vodka. I did not even know that was in there. And then in here I just have some Diet Coke and Sprite. I ran out of water, so I need to, you know, get some of that. But then I have more Diet Coke up there. And then I have a Keurig up here that I literally have never even used. It's not even plugged in. So, yeah, that's great. So then up here I just have 2 picture frames with pictures of my friends Josie and Zoe. They both are back in South Carolina, so I don't get to see them that much, but I just have them up here just so I can remember all the memories that we had and stuff like that. Then I am blessed enough to have a bathroom in my room, which is very nice. I've never had that before coming here. So I'll just go into my bathroom. This is what it looks like. I have my LED lights on in here, but I'm going to turn them off just for the sake of the video. Actually, I'll just like turn the light on. So when closing my door, I just have a full length mirror on the back so I can see my outfit when I'm done getting ready. And then I just have a Lululemon bag on the back. And then over on this wall, this thing is from Amazon, and then I just printed out some inspirational quotes and stuff like that just to remind me, like, if I'm getting ready in the morning or, you know, what have you. Down here, I just have this cart. Since there's no, like, pull-out drawers here, I just put all of my products and stuff on here. I know it looks a mess, but it's, like, an organized mess to me. And I got this from IKEA. It was in my dorm last year. But you can find them at Target too, but I'll just link them down below. And then these bath mats I got from Kohl's last year. They were in my dorm as well, but I just like reused them. And they go great. And then over here, here's my mirror. Hey guys, I look really bad today. But under here, I just keep, you know, basic toiletry stuff. And then this is my vanity. So I recently got this for Christmas, and it's literally a lifesaver. I love it a lot. My sink, and then I just have, you know, my basic stuff. Robert spent the night last night, so his toothbrushes here, and yeah, pretty basic. And then over here, my toilet, I just have this cute thing. I don't even know where I got it from. One thing I really like about these toilets is the thing is on the top, which I really like. But when I go home, I'm like used to it here, so I like try and press it. It's like really weird. And then up here, I just have this cute elephant towel and just a washcloth. Then I have my shower curtain, which is just from Target. Last year, it was in my dorm, so it's kind of older. I don't know if they'll still have it. And then just my towel. And then here's my shower. There's nothing like too special about it, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Is that a weird thing to show? And yeah, that's pretty much my bathroom. So if we go this way, we can exit and then continue with the room tour. Right next to the bathroom, I just have a trash can and then my desk. So left of my desk, I have these 3 things that were in my dorm last year. They just have pictures of my dogs, inspirational quotes, etc. I have my makeup mirror because I do my makeup here, but I do my hair in there. So it's kind of a weird process, but I just have my makeup mirror. And then this is my desk. So first on top, I just have my TV. I have Roku, so I get all of the streaming services. I have an elephant and then a little plant. Over here, I just have all of my makeup. This is not really changed from my dorm last year because I actually used this in my dorm last year. But I just have my makeup brushes and, you know, just my makeup. Then I have Chicken. Chicken used to be Skylar's fish, but she didn't want him anymore, so I kind of took him. So this is Chicken. Say hi to Chicken. Yes. And then this is just kind of miscellaneous stuff over here, if it will focus. I just have my Gucci belt, all of my essential oils right here, and then just a cute little plant. And then this is my desk, so I just have this chair that came with the room. I have my laptop, and then this little thing from Target that holds all of my writing utensils. Is that even a thing? Writing utensils? Yeah. And then I have my aromatherapy oil diffuser. I really like this thing a lot, and it changes colors. Skylar actually got me that for Christmas. And then I have this light that I had last year from Target. And then I have this little phone stand, which comes in handy a lot. And then I just have this drawer right here. It looks a mess, but it really is organized to my liking. And there's like a lot of stuff in here. So yeah. And then over here I just have a candle, some elderberry gummies, vitamins, and stuff like that. Then I have my light that's from IKEA. I had that in my dorm last year. And then I have this as well. That was in my dorm last year. I keep saying that. I keep repeating myself. I sound like a broken record. But as you can see, I don't really use it. I use my like write-in planner because this is still stuck on August. But I do have a, you know, grocery list. And then next I have like a ton of masks right here, so I can just like grab them and then like leave the house so that I don't forget to take a mask. Even though I do have a lot in my car, I just like to hang these up here just to remind me. And then we are back to the front. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed my room, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up for me. Just lets me know that you are enjoying my videos and everything like that. Also, don't forget to go follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be linked on the screen right here as well as down below for your convenience. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video on Sunday. Bye!